Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shafka Abian Jatikusumo. Diberikan kamu. Abian will be explain about C-test in language assessment. Definition of C-test. C-test is type integrative language test designed to measure overall language proficiency. It is based on the principle of the text completion where parts of word are systemically related. The historical background: the C-test was developed in the 1980s by Klein, Braley, and Ratz as a modification of the closed test. It was intended to provide a more reliable and valid measure of general language competence. Purpose in language assessment is to assess general language proficiency across skills, to serve as a quick and practical testing method. And the last is to complement other testing formats such as multiple choice or SI tests. Structure and design. A C-test typically consists of 4 or 5 short texts. In each text, the second half of every second word is delayed. Test taker must restore the missing part based on context and linguistic knowledge. Scoring methods. Each correctly complete word fragment is awarded 1 point. Scoring is objective and easily automated, and partial credit is generally not given. Advantage: efficient and easy administered. High reliability and validity for measuring overall competence. Minimize test-taking strategies and guessing. Limitation: may disadvantage learners unfamiliar with the text type, focus more on written language than on oral proficiency, require careful text selection to avoid cultural bias. Example. The first one example is the grammar focus of the C-test. Why I choose this test? Because it's gonna upgrade a grammar focus of the student. The text number 2 is vocabulary focus. Why? Because student is gonna improve his vocabulary focus to even more. And the last is reading comprehension. Because gonna improve reading skill of the student and will be next level of the student to even further. Scoring guide of the second C-test. Correctly restored 1 point. Partially correct word 0.5 point. Incorrect word is 0 point. Total items of the example is 40 blanks and 20 per text. Maximum score is 40 point. Interpretation 35 to 40 excellent proficiency and 28 to 34 is good proficiency and 20 and 27 is fair proficiency and below 0 is need improvement. The selected texts are relevant to student experiences and align with intermediate level vocabulary. They allow assessment of grammar, reading comprehension, and lexical knowledge. The C-tests ensure objectivity, practicality, and reliability, measuring overall language ability. Benefit for student is enhanced contextual understanding, improved grammatical awareness, strength vocabulary recall, increased learning motivation, and last is support self-assessment and autonomy. So the conclusion, the C-test offer an efficient, a valid, and integrative approach to language assessment. It provides valuable insights into learners' overall proficiency while engaging them in meaningful linguistic processing. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.